So when we call it a great customer experience, why is it great? What's the definition of great? Because it's easy, because it's fun, cool, fancy, whatever. So this is where I think models from neuromarketing could help you. So of course, we all know there are a lot of companies that do the same stuff on and on and on. That they won't move further. And of course, we know not everybody can do some new disruptive business models. I don't want you to think about being completely disruptive. Maybe you could go ahead, but most people say, yeah, I'm already a retail, an online retailer, so I can't reinvent the way I sell washing machines. But what I want to say is you can move one step further. So you can also try to deliver a significantly better customer experience. And better customer experience, most people think that means, yeah, cool design or something like this. No, it doesn't. Neuromarketing can help you to find out how to move from this comfort zone to this one, because actually you should really think about accelerating your optimization program, because otherwise it could be really painful. I work for so many big companies that don't feel the pain anymore, right? They're too big, so many silos, so many people that never heard the bang. So no pain, no gain. That's what I realized. Try to improve as long as you don't feel pain, right? Go the next step here.